going to make the traditional food in the Vietnam, and deep fried spring rolls.
Mushroom,
You think?
vermicelli, bean sprout, carrot, garlic,
Garlic? No, we don't put garlic here.
carrot, onion, that's it. Why did I say garlic? Prawn,
Prawn. And something on here?
olive,
Oh, no.
mushroom, yes.
What kind of mushroom? We have two kinds of mushroom here.
Black fungus mushroom, woody. Woody?
That's good ear.
Yes.
That's good ear mushroom. And how about this? This have a smell, strong smell.
Normal mushroom.
No, it's not normal. It's not normal things.
Shiitake.
You are the chef or something?
Shiitake maybe, yeah.
You know all of this. One more thing. This is quite special. Do you know what it is?
Vermicelli.
Sorry?
Vermicelli.
No.
Isn't it those noodles?
Yeah, it's got the noodle, but
Glass noodles.
I think you are the chef, right? But you know everything here.
Glass noodles?
We have a little bit here, but I hope you know this.
No, meat.
No,
Beef. No, pork.
Oh yeah.
Chicken. Oh, goose. Is it pork?
Well, you know that.
I said pork.
Yeah, this is the fork. And this prawn, bean brown, spring onion or scallion, and onion, carrot. Oh my god. Wood ear mushroom, shiitake mushroom, and this is the glass noodle. Who is the vegetarian here? Or you can eat everything?
I eat seafood or veggie, either.
Yes. I make for like one vegetarian and one normal. Okay. Make sure everybody here can taste about traditional food in Vietnam. In vegetarian, I will put the tofu inside and half.
You got tofu.
You can see right now, it's real so dry. So it's real so hard to make. We need something sticky. And we have the egg chicken. This will have that. But we just use only egg yolk. And mix everything inside. In Vietnam, we usually used to joke. When you cannot make deep fried spring roll, you cannot get married. So that's why me and him, we are not already married right now. Deep fried spring roll usually to serve for king and queen in the past, especially in Nguyen dynasty. They love that. know what it is?
Rice paper.
Another answer.
One.
You know what it is?
I mean, it says rice paper on the top. So.
Yeah. How about you? Bread. How about you?
Yeah, rice paper.
How about you? Yeah, you're right. But I just said what it is. This is the black things bag. It's not rice paper. Rice paper inside. You can see right now it's dry, so it's really so hard to rolling. We already about wet towel here, so put that on the surface and massage that. Massage until it's wet, soft, it's easy rolling. Juice spoon on the bottom. Like this. Okay. Like this. And you will rolling twice. And then like this. And four opposites. Like this one. And then keep rolling until the end, but don't forget egg white here. Just only one line here. It's will be more sticker. So like this one, it's nearly finished. Just wait, deep fry that in the hot oil. This where we have a golden color. That's why we call that deep fried spring roll. Who wants to try just coming here? I would have. Come in, come in. Come in, come in. You want to try, madam? Please come in. You want to try?
I'll give it a try. I'll do the veggie part. I'll go.
Too small to do them.
Yes.
Primul pas este cel de masaj, așa cum am zis-o.
Which more, madam? Another one?
Yeah, this one more. Someone else can have a go.
It's like a dumpling.
I think it's
She's vacation right now. She no coke.
Apoi punem umplutura, aceasta este vegană,
Yes.
iar cea de acolo este cu carne de porc.
We're making spring rolls. This
Thank
one
you.
and that one. No, this one.
Slim on the topic.
Want to do another one, or are you done?
Huh?
Slim on the filling.
Well, I did that one
I
first.
should do another one.
Kind of work very long.
Apoi, foarte greu cu aceste mănuși, dar trebuie să încercăm să
I'll help you.
No, he's that one.
Yeah.
îl cuprindem, iar apoi
Nice and moist.
No, don't worry. It's about the same like yeah.
Doesn't matter what it looks like, it still tastes the same.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Wise word. What do you with that fish?
No, it's
și acum trebuie să luăm puțin
The star. We
I
got to
thought I
put
had to get garlic.
the word on.
Yeah, I said garlic instead of onion.
Roll that one up. Roll that one up. You want to roll it?
No problem. It's a lot of egg white. You just need like just one finger and on the line like this. You do this before? Never?
rămâne aici.
Chef in your blood. You didn't become a chef.
Asta este pachetelul
High five. High five.
vietnamez.
High five. Another hand. Hey. Yay.
Pretty good one, Aisha.
Do you know what it is?
Coconut.
What is inside coconut?
Coconut water.
A little bit different. Can you guess? Sorry? Water? How about you? Water? How about you? Sorry? We call this happy water. Yeah, happy water. And inside this coconut, we make roll on the stove, and we pull all of the water coconut outside and put that the rice white inside. Hold that in 5 months to become the rice white coconut. It's still fresh right now. Yeah. Have you been drinking this already?
When we went to India years ago, they did it by the end of the night. Actually, there's a big drop in it. Yeah.
15 portions. Yeah, it's a joke.
It looks like it's got a tube in it.
This for you.
How do you say cheese in Vietnamese?
Let me take you. That's why we have here. Who want to know how to cheer in Vietnam? So please come in here. Yes, we have this.
No, it's alcohol.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's alcohol.
Yeah, not for kids.
I thought you just poured it in.
No, it's fermented.
Your choice, please come in. Your choice?
Okay, I'll try.
No, you cannot try. You can try that. But I will take you how to cheer in Vietnam. You want to try? Yes. Excuse me. You want to try? Nobody wants to try. Yes. Let me take you.
Not quite ready.
How do you say cheers?
Let me take.
Cheers.
In Vietnam, we will have long cheers. The first thing. 1, 2, 3, yo. That's mean 1, 2, 3, cheer. 2, 3, yo.
Oh, sorry.
You know that?
Stole your thunder.
Yeah, you know that. 2, 3, yo. That's mean 2, 3, cheer. 2, 3, whoop. That's mean drink. So just repeat out to me, okay? 1, 2, 3, yo.
1, 2, 3, yo.
Louder, louder. 1, 2, 3, yo.
1, 2, 3, yo.
2, 3, yo.
2, 3, yo.
2, 3, whoop.
2, 3, whoop.
Drink, cheers.
Not too bad. Oh, okay, here we go.
Buy one, get one. Buy one, get one. You want to?
It's a Aussie England rivalry. It's the Ashes. Ashes in.
Who won the state qualification?
Oh, New South Wales, epic. Yeah,
How do you feel?
good.
Because when I try that, I'm near the burn.
So you like your leg a little bit? I know you rugby.
No, you cannot. You cannot. You get some.
Harry is.
We lived there, so I went
Am degustat și apă de cocos fermentată, are miros de coniac și gust de țuică sau de pălincă. Este foarte tare. dar miroase foarte, foarte plăcut. Nu este pe gustul meu. Chiar eram încântată că vom degusta apă de cocos, dar de fapt n-a fost apă de cocos, a fost un alcool de cocos. Dar foarte interesant experiența. Cheers!
Who has you guys keep rice screen up, please coming?
Only for people who made, yeah. Which one's vegan? Which one? Vegetarian, meat.
I'm gonna show you guys vegetarian first. Make sure it's not have meat inside. Here, this is all the customer they make that, so I hope everything is really good.
They're very long, aren't they?
Oh, I'm starving.
I don't think so. I know, I don't.
You made this one, right?
I don't know.
No, this is for you. 100%. This is for you. You want to eat this? Can I join with you?
Sure.
Yeah, appreciate it.
I'm just here for mine. Henry, you're gonna let us know. Well, so tasty.
Vegetarian here. We have vegetarian here. You can use that with the soy sauce. And also we
I
have
have no idea who.
sweet and sour fish sauce on the side.
I was vegetarian for a year, and then I gave up. It was too hard. I had some bacon.
It's really so hard to give up bacon with you.
Yeah, it was hard.
Anyway, now we don't eat the bacon. It's something like we don't like
She had
that.
a dream that a pig died.
So I became vegetarian.
Oh my god, we experienced it today.
I feel
Okay,
like
Henry,
people,
I'm leaving.
people who made spring rolls should probably go first.
Henry, stop. Yeah, I'm gonna get one.
Oh no, no.
Okay, who wants to try?
Me please.
Whatever you want, with soy sauce or fish sauce.
You can have oh, that's fish sauce. You want some?
I appreciate
Said
it.
you were hungry.
I'm hungry too. Can you taste? Oh my god.
Is it good?
Să degustăm și ce am gătit, nu? Cred că am văzut că am mult sos și
I would recommend for
ce a realizat de către mine, în care se deja mult sos.
Sorry, fish sauce. Yeah. A lot of fish sauce.
Cu noi crocantă și aceasta e cu carne. Mai devreme am degustat-o pe cea care are în umplutură carne cu sos de soia și acum pe aceasta vegetariană o încercăm cu sos dulce aprișor.
I want the fish sauce more. I want the fish sauce. But I actually want to try this. Good.
E mult mai light decât cealaltă. A fost foarte interesant să gătim și să degustăm apoi din ce am gătit. Oamenii s-au dus, le-au prăjit și apoi s-au întors cu ele și toți în momentul în care au văzut că se oferă ceva apetisant au început să vină, dar ei nu au contribuit toți la prepararea rulourilor. A fost o experiență foarte interesantă.